This is a video on probability and the normal distribution. The question states, suppose the amount of time people spend brushing their teeth is normally distributed with mean 95 seconds and standard deviation 24. Find the interquartile range. So I'm going to start out by stating my cast of characters. So I'm given the mean is 95. So mu equals 95. The standard deviation is 24. So sigma equals 24. I want the interquartile range. Recall that the interquartile range is that range between two numbers A and B such that 50% of the data lies between A and B. Another way of stating that is the probability of any given data value being between A and B is equal to half or 0.5. Let's put this on a picture. We can see that we're going to have a standard normal distribution once we do a conversion, and the area between the z that corresponds to A and the z that corresponds to B will be 0.5. That leaves half to be outside of this middle area, and that half will be equally distributed by a quarter, or 0.25, to the left of z sub A, and a quarter, or 0.25, to the right of z sub B. So let's find z sub A, and I can use a table or a computer to find the value of z such that the area to the left will be 0.25. And what I got was z sub A is negative 0.67. So for z sub B, this picture is symmetric about 0. So if z sub A is negative 0.67, then z sub B will be positive 0.67. So now let's find A and B using the conversion that takes z values and sends them to x values. And that formula is x equals z times sigma plus mu. So I just plug in. For A, z is negative 0.67. Our sigma is 24. And our mean is 95. And I plugged that in a calculator, and I got about 79. So now let's find the same for B. And that'll be the same numbers except that z sub B was positive 0.67. And 0.67 times 24 plus 95 is about 111. And now I'm ready to state my conclusion. So I can conclude that the interquartile range for the time people spend brushing their teeth is between 79 seconds and 111 seconds. And I'm done with the problem.